Hey guys, let's quickly see how to use the Hostinger coupon code for 2026 and claim the discount in just a few minutes. First, click the Hostinger coupon link given in the video description below. After opening the website, choose the hosting service you need. You can select from web hosting, cloud hosting, agency hosting, VPS hosting, or any other hosting plan. For this tutorial, I'm selecting VPS hosting. Now scroll down and compare the available plans. You can check which plan is the most popular and also see the discount offered on each package. Take a moment to pick the plan that best matches your requirements and budget. Once you decide, click on the Choose Plan button. Next, you'll reach the order summary page. Here, select your billing duration, 1 month, 12 months, or 24 months. The 24-month option usually gives the biggest savings, and you also get a free domain for 1 year. Now, scroll further and choose the server location closest to your audience or business location for better website performance. In the order summary section, you'll notice an extra 20% referral discount automatically applied through my link. After that, click the Continue button. Enter your email address, create a password, and proceed to the payment page. Complete the payment process, and you'll receive a confirmation email from Hostinger. That's it. Your Hostinger discount has been successfully activated using the coupon link. The whole process takes only a couple of minutes. If you still have any doubts or questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.